A very simple and easy American cornbread recipe. Welcome to Dynatry. So what you'll need is 175 grams of plain flour, 280 grams of polenta or medium cornmeal, 115 grams of unsalted butter, 4 medium eggs, 250 ml of full fat milk, 5 level tablespoons of double cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 baking tray with non-stick baking paper, a sieve and a bowl. So first get your bowl and sieve. Place the plain flour, the salt, baking powder, sugar and sieve. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 6 or 180 degrees if it's fan assisted. Now place the polenta and butter and rub in until the mix looks like fine breadcrumbs. Now add the cream, eggs to the milk and beat lightly. And now add the milk mixture to the bowl and mix thoroughly. Spoon the mixture onto the baking tray and place into the oven for 30 minutes. Once cooked, cut into cubes and enjoy. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching Dana Tribe.